What the fuck? And they're recording it too.
You smashed my chips.
Listen.
Oh, this is nice. Okay.
There you go. Just keep listening.
This is gonna be good. I can feel it.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Dreams that you dreamed of once in a lullaby. Someday I'll wish upon a star. Wake up where the clouds are far behind. Trouble melts like lemons high above the chimney top. That's where
You're missing the whole show.
you'll find me somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Just thank you!
Alright, so just so you guys know, I want you to understand one thing about this whole situation that just went down. This is Zach right here.
I'm Zach.
Hi,
This is your
And your name?
baby.
Nice to meet you.
This is your new husband here, okay? This is how you both met. So you guys, I'm gonna leave. We're gonna
Hi, I'm
leave, and
Julian.
he's gonna
Hi,
stay.
Julian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Julian, nice to meet you.
Zach's gonna stay and grab all your information, and you guys will have a date sometime soon. Okay?
Your email, your social.
Social, the whole thing needs to be done.
And then went to high school. How crazy is that?
Nice to meet you. I went to school with her.
Hi, I'm Abe.
Hi.
How's it going? I helped orchestrate this.
Well, I'm sure you saw them practicing the whole time.
Manager Abraham.
You
Writer,
guys.
producer, that's what I
Smash their
do.
chips.
Makes you happy.
That's like great. We're off to a good start here.
I think that went pretty well, if you ask me.
I'm not gonna lie, that ended up being way more beautiful. That ended up being so much more beautiful than I thought it was gonna be originally.
You got some soul.
You see, it's all about the soul.
And you
You know
guys
what I mean?
like killed it in the end on the last chorus.
You
You
really
guys
did.
I didn't even know we
nailed
did
it.
the
You didn't even know what we were saying.
See
You
what I
guys
mean?
saved us at the end.
Yeah, did you make up those words?
The phone powered off, so we
I
didn't
know
know the
you
rest of the
made-
lyrics. Dude, this whole beat.
Good
Do
job.
you guys know each other? This whole. How do you
high
know
school
each
together.
other?
Went to school together.
Where'd you go to school?
Everything Helen knows.
Crap. What year? Wait. What year did you graduate?
That was 2010.
Oh, you got there after we left.
Right. We graduated in 06.
Damn, that's crazy.
Well, guys, it was a pleasure recording this.
Yeah.
All right, we're signing out here.
Damn, it's
Zach,
nice
we're
meeting you
old.
guys.
On some real shit, Zach,
Y'all know
Are you a
Zach-
grandpa?
you now have
Damn.
the footage of you meeting your wife.
Thank you, sir.
All right, how do you feel about that?
I don't know.
I don't know if I want a wife.
I was like, I don't know, dude.
I don't know if I